Let me give you a little bit of a idea of the schedule for the robot. This year, they just announced that the kickoff or the start of the competition will be January the 9th. And that's a Saturday morning. And then 6 weeks later, which is about February, 20th? Give or take, usually on a Monday night, we have to ship the robot. So what will happen is, we'll meet down here on January 9th, about 9 in the morning. And we don't do it at 4 in the morning like they do in other places, but we will record the TV show. What they do is at like I don't know, 10 in the morning or something, I can't remember the exact time, in New Hampshire, they announced the game worldwide. And people have gone to a meeting someplace with a bunch of teams, and they pick up their kit of parts, which are two big boxes that have a computer and some motors and wheels and gears and other things. And they announce the game. And they announce a few rules, and then at that moment, we will start designing our robot. And then we will, the first thing we'll do is we'll have a strategy session, how we want to play the game, and then we'll design the robot to play the game, and then we start building the robot, and we've got 6 weeks to do that. It's very intense. Okay? It gets very busy, and it's a feat of production to get it all done in that 6 weeks. Because not only do we have to build a robot, we have to produce a movie, we have to do a Chairman's Award application, we have to keep raising money, we have to build a crate. You think building a crate is a small thing, it's a big thing for this robot. Because not only does the crate have to carry the robot, it has to carry all of our stuff, our tools. And it has to be organized so that nothing gets damaged or that kind of thing. So I don't know how many hours we spent on the crate last year, but a lot. There's a lot to do. And it's fun. A lot of the mentors in here are engineers or technically oriented people, and what you'll get to learn is what it's like to work with engineers. One of the ideas behind FIRST is to show that engineering, math, and science are fun. They lead to fun jobs. And since I'm an engineer and I've been working at it for a long time, I can tell you from experience that there's a lot of fun in engineering. It's also there's hard work too. I don't know if any of you guys have seen these or not, but every company has one of these, and it usually says, you know, the president and the vice presidents and so on down, right? This is called a flat organization chart. In other words, there's a whole bunch of people reporting to one person. I'm the person up here right now. In the old days, and I'll say old days back when I was your age, an organization chart was not flat like this. It would have one person and maybe 3 or 4 people reporting, and then another layer, so it looked like a pyramid instead of something that was spread out. And about, I don't know, 20 years ago, that went out of style because it's a very inefficient form of management. And now companies use this flat structure. Even big companies like General Motors now use a flat structure. And that's really a good thing because it helps everybody stay in touch top to bottom.